In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade your Klaviyo account. Whether you're restructuring your marketing strategy, cutting costs, or simply found that your current plan exceeds your needs, downgrading can be a sensible move. I'll guide you through each step of the process, providing clarity and tips along the way to ensure you can do this with ease and confidence. Let's get started by heading over to the Klaviyo website. Once there, you'll see the option to log in. Click on that login button to begin. This is a straightforward step, but an essential one, as you need to access your account to make any changes. After clicking login, you're prompted to enter your email address and password. Make sure to input the credentials that you registered with or have updated to. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's a reset option available. Now click on login once more to access your dashboard. Once logged in, you're greeted by the Klaviyo dashboard, your command center for all things related to your email marketing campaigns, and where the magic, so to speak, happens. But for today, our focus is on navigating to the account settings to initiate the downgrade process. To proceed, look for the settings option. In Klaviyo, the settings menu can usually be found in the lower left corner of the screen, indicated by a gear icon. This is where you can personalize, adjust, and, importantly for our purposes, manage your account details including billing. Once you're in the settings menu, navigate to the billing section. This is where Klaviyo outlines your current plan details, usage, and the billing cycle. It's also the place where you can adjust your plan according to your needs. Now look for the change plan option in the billing section. This is where you can view different plans that Klaviyo offers, allowing you to select one that better fits your current requirements. Take your time here to review the features and limitations of each plan. Klaviyo provides a variety of options to ensure businesses of all sizes can find a suitable package. Keep in mind, downgrading might affect some of the features you currently enjoy, so weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. After selecting a new plan that suits your needs, you'll either click Continue to Payment to update your billing information if moving to a different paid tier, or Cancel if you are downgrading to a free plan and no payment information is needed. Be aware that changes to your account might not take effect immediately. Klaviyo may prorate charges or credits based on your billing cycle, so it's good to be familiar with their billing practices as outlined in their FAQ or support documentation. And that's essentially it. You've successfully navigated through the process of downgrading your Klaviyo account. Remember, adjusting your plan is about finding the balance that works best for you and your business. Whether it's scaling up or down, Klaviyo offers the flexibility to adapt to your evolving needs. Before wrapping up, here's a quick recap and some additional tips. Always review your current utilization and needs before making any changes to your account. Consider how downgrading affects your access to certain features. And finally, if you're unsure or need assistance, Klaviyo's support team is there to help. Don't hesitate to reach out to them. Adjusting your business tools to match your current needs is a smart way to manage resources effectively. By taking the steps to downgrade your Klaviyo account when necessary, you ensure that your marketing efforts remain efficient, cost-effective, and aligned with your business goals. And thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips to make the most out of your digital marketing tools and strategies.